Okay, so there's a new update to text boxes, and this update pretty much entails being able to clone a text box's content without having to dive into the source, or perhaps you might have cloned it before and you found it's a direct link, like so. We go to browse and take that to Alex's text box that I have there. So now these are directly linked together. If I change one, it's going to change the other. Let me go ahead and show you. Hit save. And then refresh, and then we're going to find that in this first one here, it's also changed. Yeah. So that's a directly linked text box, and perhaps you don't want that on your website. Maybe you just want to copy over the content or the template. And so there's a new feature for that, and that's going to be, like we saw before, go to text box and hit this clone a page option. So it's the exact same thing as the browse option, except we're just going to be taking the content inside. So I'll clone existing page. I get a new text box that says copy, or a copy in the title. And when I actually change this one here, let's say remove this heading 1, for example. So it's changed on here, and if I refresh, it's still only changed on this text box. So right now all we're doing is just we're taking the title and the content of this text box, and we're just cloning it to a brand new text box automatically. And notice it takes all the content, the tables, iframes, images, the links are still the same and it's still working out just fine. Headings, all the stylings are brought over with it as well. And we have a text box that says copy on it, so I know which one is the original and which one's the copy.